In this question, you're given that you have a circle which passes through 2, 3 and minus 1, 1, such that the center of the circle lies on the line x minus 3y minus 11 is equal to 0. You're asked to find a circle which satisfies the following conditions. Again, as you can clearly see, there are three pieces of information given in the question. The first information is that the circle passes through this point. That is one information. The circle passes through this point. That's the second information. The center of the circle lies on this line. That's the third information. So from these three informations, we can create three equations and solve for GFC. We get the answer. So to solve this question, first let us assume that the circle is, let the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now, from the first condition, 2, 3 lies on the circle. So if you just put x and y on this. So 4 plus 9 plus 4g plus 6f plus c is equal to 0. Next, 1 plus 1 minus 2g plus 2f plus c is again equal to 0. Next, the center lies on this line. The center is nothing but minus g comma minus f, right? We have already seen this. For the general equation, the center is minus g and minus f. So minus g and minus f lies on this line. So minus g plus 3f minus 11 is equal to 0. So you have three equations. So let us try to solve G, F and C. So you can clearly see that the third equation is in terms of G and F. So if you can eliminate C from these two equations, you get another equation in G and F. You can solve both of them. So if you subtract one from the other, I'm trying to cancel this C out. So 13 minus 2, 11 plus 6g plus 4f is equal to 0. So 6g plus 4f is equal to minus 11 minus g plus 3f is equal to plus 11. So I'll multiply the second equation with 6 and add these two equations. So 6g minus 6g gets cancelled. 4f plus 18f, you get 22f is equal to minus 11 plus 66. It is 55. So f is equal to 5 by 2. So you got the value of f. So 2f is equal to 5. Now let us substitute f in this equation. So 6g plus 10 is equal to minus 11. So 6g is equal to, f is 5, so sorry, 2f is 5, 4f is 10. So minus 21. So g is equal to minus 21 by 6. So if you cancel 3 out, minus 7 by 2. So you got the value of g, you got the value of f. So 2g is equal to minus 7. Next, let us substitute both g and f in one of these equations. So 2 minus 2g, that is plus 7, plus 2f, that is plus 5, plus c is equal to 0. This implies c is equal to minus 14. So you got the value of g, f and c. Just need to substitute everything in the equation. So the required equation is nothing but x square plus y square plus 2gx, that is minus 7x plus 2fy, that is 5y plus c is equal to 0. Thank you.